Welcome. If you want to stay on top of your emails, enabling app icon badges for Gmail is a simple way to make sure you never miss a new message. Those tiny red circles on your Gmail app icon let you know, at a glance, exactly how many unread emails are waiting for you. Here's how you can turn on this helpful feature in just a few easy steps. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on it to open the side menu. Scroll down through the menu until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to move to the next screen. Now you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to Gmail. Tap on the email account for which you want to enable app icon badges. On the next screen, look for the option labeled Manage Notifications. Tap on it to access your notification settings. Here, you'll find a toggle for app icon badges. Switch this toggle on. Once enabled, you'll start seeing a badge count on your Gmail app icon whenever you have unread emails. App icon badges are a great way to stay organized and make sure important messages don't slip through the cracks. With just a quick glance at your home screen, you'll always know if there's something new in your inbox. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle app icon badges off. Customizing your notifications means you can make your Gmail experience work exactly how you want. That's all it takes to enable app icon badges for Gmail. Now, you can enjoy a more efficient and organized email experience, never missing a beat. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.